Hi. First thing that I want to talk about here is we're going to go ahead and we're going to launch the Unreal Game Engine. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Windows tab, type in Epic, and I'm going to launch the Epic Games Launcher. Even though I got a little Unreal icon down in the corner, what I want to do here is load the Epic Games Launcher. So I'm going to come over here now to Library. Now I actually have an account with Epic, and you should feel free to make your own. That gives you access to the marketplace. Inside the marketplace, over here under free, Epic Games themselves has content available to you. If any of you remember ever playing Infinity Blade, you can download elements from Infinity Blade to check them out. Um, Paragon, they have character assets you could download and look at. And these are all free for you to add to any kind of project. There's also a learn section that they have, which is fantastic. Or if you go to learn, it's going to take a little bit to load that up. So, well, there it goes. Inside Learn, it's got all sorts of great things like Artist Quick Start, Level Designer Quick Start, Programmer, Getting Started with Unreal, all sorts of great projects in here. Ones you can download and open up as a map in order to look at. So it's really neat, very powerful. What I'm going to go to is Library. So you can see I have some old projects down here, and I have multiple versions of the Unreal Engine that I can run. All right, now I've been working for a long time with 419.2. The school currently has 423.1, and the latest version is 424.3. Now, interestingly enough, my computer that's not that old crashes when I run 424.3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run us through 423.1. All right, so it's going to be slightly different from the latest. Anyone who does not have the world's fastest computer, apparently, uh, just joking there, probably needs to maybe run something a little bit more stable. And so, if you need to get another version, you can click this little engine versions plus sign and come over to here, click the little drop down, and you can select another version to download, right? And then you'll be able to launch it from there. So in this case, then you could just come over here. Once you have all them ready, if you have different versions, you don't even need to come here to the library to engine versions to add them. You could come over and just select the version you want to run. So I'm just going to click Unreal Engine 231, click, and now that's going to load that up. So that's how we're going to switch between different engine versions. I'm just going to have this be a really short how to switch between versions tutorial. And I'll do another one for introducing it.